Everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back with a really quick haul video. I know I haven't been on very much. I've been really busy with, life, my kids, getting organized, got a new guy, so lots of things going on. So let me go ahead and get started. It's a multiple store hauls from a lot of different stores on here. The first is Grain Farm. This is part of their farmers market they do every 3 months. I got this one, which I don't know if you can see. It's the cake topper, I think. I have that little thing that tells me the names of them. I believe it's the cake topper. This one was $10. No, this one was $6. I got this one, which is the Mega Mini Summer. This one was $10. And then I also got Beach Day, which was also $10. So I got that. And then I have a multiple haul from Simon Says Stamp. I was looking to see if I had other stuff, and it looks like I do have a bunch of stuff to share with you guys. So I don't know if I shared some of this stuff or not. I don't think so. So let me just grab all of this stuff. These were bought on different days, but a lot of it was super, super cheap. So they had some Prima on there. So they had, well, first I bought the acrylic paint in white, which is not on sale. I needed it. My acrylic white paint that I have was just toast. I got this icing paste, which was, can't remember, 99 cents or $1.99. I wouldn't have paid any more for that. And then they had a bunch of, they had this dye, which is normally $20. I believe it's only a couple of dollars from La La Land. All of these. They also had this stencil, which I know was 99 cents. This was very inexpensive. It was this wood planks stamp set from La La Land. And they had this stamp set, which I want to say was $1.99. It was really inexpensive. This one is So Amazing from La La Land, all on that clearance that Simon Says Stamp does. And then all of these flowers were 99 cents. So I got this one, which was, I don't know what this one's called. They probably have names, but this one, and so I just got all of them because they were so inexpensive. This one, and this one, super cheap. The stuff on there goes really fast. If you get lucky and you get on there. I know this coffee one was not expensive at all. I got this one. And this one, I want to say, was like $1.99 or something like that. Super cheap. These were 99 cents. Don't need ink spray. And then this Delicata metallic gold paint. Were inexpensive. This was full price. I just wanted some red envelopes, so don't worry about that. And these were all 99 cents, I believe. Really, really cheap. I actually don't know if I have the stamp sets to them, so I'm going to have to find them. But for the die price, can't go wrong. So it's the Green Farm Enjoy Beach Bums, How Are You, and Cozy With You. And then this stamp set was very inexpensive. I think this was $1.99. I believe this was a couple of dollars as well. Whatever it was very inexpensive. And then the Hello Sweetums were super cheap. They're clearing these out because Hello Sweetums is no longer in business. So I bought a bunch of stuff from them when they were going out of business, so I have no idea if I have these or not. So I'll have to see, but I think I don't have some of them. Spread the Love, Fabulous Friend, the Sparkle Bright, Seize the Day, and then this one, which is Baking Buddies. So the Simon Says Stamp. I got them on different days. And then I've got a couple of orders from Not Too Shabby Shop. So let's see, I've got, this was my free gift, the 60. Got this one, which is Sugar Bee Designs. It's Hey Honey. I think it's adorable with the die. And then I also got the stencil. And then LDRS, very similar to Tailored Expressions. They have this die that will cut a variety of sentiments all at one time. I think it's totally genius. You just stamp it once, cut it once, and then you have all kinds of sentiments that you can use and just have on hand. So I got Love Stack and Anytime Stack. That's really cool. I love that, and I love the versatility of being able to kind of use it, whenever. And then other Not Too Shabby Shop. So I got the trying this blending brush from Trinity Stamps. And then I got this one, which is a Sugar Pea Designs. It's called Chic Wishes, and I thought it'd be really good with my kind of girl stamps from the Ton, and also from Concord and Ninth. I thought that was cute. I also got Sushi Date. I got the dies as well as the stamp sets. Jamie had done a really cute card, or showed a really cute card. I wanted to duplicate that card. So I got this cling stamp from My Favorite Things. It's a heart background. I got this Picket Fences, what do you call this? A stencil. And then I got the Trinity Stamps stencil. And then these two were free gifts. And that's also from Not Too Shabby, because I buy from her a lot. And then from Doodlebugs, their website is, I don't think it has it on my invoice, but it's Doodlebugs, doodlebugswa.com. Okay, so they do a Flash Friday sale where something is $5. This is normally, I think, $24. It's a die that makes a volcano. From My Favorite Things, it's normally $24. I got this for $5, so I did buy that, along with this Doodle Pop, the odds and ends from Doodlebug. These are all the Love Notes sets, and the Lawn Fawn How You Been. They have the Heart Edition, Heart add-on. This is the store, and then they also sent me a Jelly Roll red pen, which I thought was really nice. And then to do that. And then I bought, let's see, I got a couple of things, other random things that I'll share with you. Oh, so the Entangled, they were having their retirement sale, so I'm going to show you what I got from the Entangled. So everything was super cheap. Let's see, I got this die set, tag die. I got this nice and neat dies that goes with this one right here, which is Barnyard Buddies. I got this one, which is this goat, which I thought would also go with Barnyard Buddies, and then the die, and then this koala stamp set along with the die, which I didn't have any of those. And then my kit of the month, Glimmer Foil Kit. I got this, which is why I've got those red envelopes. So I got this kit. It goes along with, you know, the envelopes. You can decorate an envelope if you want. It's really cute. And then I also got, for this month, the small die of the month is this one right here. And then the large die of the month is this one. You can make a necklace with this die. So I need to experiment with that. And then CC Designs, I bought some things. If you spent $50, then you could get $5 off. So I bought this to get some up to $50, which is this. But these are being retired, and these are their sort of inside out. They cut the oval, but also the inside as well, so you get like a little frame. Very cute for shakers, but also just cute in general. So I got the oval, the square, and the circle. And that was from the CC Designs shop. Let's see. And these were bought over, you know, over time, over the past month at least. So let's see. There was a 40, I think it was 35 or 40% off sale at Cat's Pajamas. So I got this one right here, which is called, let's see if it tells me. This one is called, I don't know. I got this one, which I think is Takeoff. This one, which is called Don't Be Coy. This one is called Life's a Beach. This one is called Sponsored By. And then they gave me a free stamp set, which is a funny little guy in a coat, raincoat. You can see that. So, got that. I spent $27.30. It was an $18 discount on that. So that was a pretty good deal. Let's see. Some random things. Sticky back canvas. There's a project I want to do with that. I finally was able to buy Pixie Spray. These I got from Amazon. And the Pixie Spray is used mostly for stencils, so I did get that. from scrapbook.com. I had emailed Color Play, I think, Photo Paper Play, and told them that you could make a suggestion. I said, I'd love to see them do a dance paper pack. I'm always looking for dance stuff. Hardly anything good is out there. So they actually did one. So I did buy it. And this one is called Star of the Show. Love that. Very cute. I really do need to work on my daughter's dance album. She's been dancing for so long. I have so many pictures, and it is a project of mine that I do want to get started with. So this is from scrapbook.com. So you get so little in here. This is from Dress My Craft. I just wanted to see, and it's just so little. I did order some from AliExpress, so I'm interested to see how much more I get, because this was quite expensive, actually, considering how much you get in it. So I did get that, and it's really cute. I got the ephemera, or the die cuts that go along with this paper pad. Really, really cute. Love, love, love that. And then I did finally pick up the Doodlebug Love Notes paper pad, which I don't have. So I did get that. And then, let's see, I guess this will be the last thing I share with you guys. I usually, when I share this, I know I really like this one this month. This is my La La Land hit of the month. I didn't really care for last month's very much, but if I sell that one. But I did really like this one. So this one is, let's see what this one is. This one's like a Love Notes one. And it's super, super cute. So I'm going to take this out so that I can show you this right here. So you get your big Marcy, and then we have little pigs this time, and it's like a male one. And these are the dies that I get, Marcy with pen, and then we get a bunch of sentiments, and then you get the dies. So you get this one which says with love. You get this ink and quill pen one. You get this cool letters border, and this super cute mailbox, which I'm excited about. So that's my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Praying the Heart.